Glassworks is a really nice sized site. It's 323 rooms, so not too big, not too small. It's got a real community feel to it because of that. We've got nice communal spaces on site and the location is fantastic for the city centre. Liverpool itself is just so diverse. There's so much to see. There's always events on.
The sense of community is amazing. I've lived in loads of different places, and even living in the city centre and sort of getting to know people. Just coming to university itself is really exciting. I've had students that have arrived recently that have said, I've never had my own bedroom before and that kind of stuff. So it's a lot of the little things that you kind of would overlook that are really exciting. It's got a really vibrant and cosy vibe. It's got a great and friendly team. There's lots that Glassworks has to offer that makes it a really great accommodation.
So there's always someone there to say hello to. When you're in the laundry room, there's often someone in there and everyone's got a big smile on their face. And when you're in the lifts, you end up talking to people and meeting people from all different places, all different backgrounds. Some moved from different countries, so it's really nice to meet all different types of people.
And you tend to make a lot of friends, find your family here. So I think a lot of people come here and they don't turn back.
It's just making sure that there's somebody that they can relate to. Somebody might not want to come and speak to me, that's fine. They might feel they connect more with Chelsea. They might feel they connect with the maintenance man, Kev. It's just making sure that between us all, we've got an eye on those couple students each, so that between us we can make sure that they've got someone to come and ask questions. I've got some people who they don't want to speak and their interaction is coming to get parcels, and that's fine, because when they come get a parcel, it's just are you okay? Loneliness sometimes can be not just being in your room. You can have all the friends, but you can feel lonely because everyone's doing really well in the course and smashing the coursework, and you're behind and need someone to help pick that up.
I moved about 2.5 hours away, so I didn't know anyone moving here. So getting to know people, everyone's really friendly, get on with them really easily, but everyone's in the same position as you.
It's really rewarding to see the students grow and learn, because they'll come in as a first year, maybe a little bit shy, maybe not too sure of themselves and wanting to learn, and then you see them in the second and third year, leaving with you graduating, they're getting the hats and gowns, mum and dad are outside, you're getting photos.
It is really emotional, seeing people sort of like overcome obstacles, seeing them become their own person, and it's such a wonderful feeling, being able to be that helping hand that guides them and sort of steadies them through that journey.
No day is the same. It's never boring, it's really fast paced, and also getting to meet so many people, because I am a people person, so I like to know where people have come from, what they're doing and what it is they're wanting to go on to do. And because the students have to come through reception, you do get to see them and say hi and see how they're doing, and you can pick up on someone's not quite feeling themselves, so it just gives it that little bit of a tight-knit community feel.
I think the whole thing is a big adventure and it's all very exciting.